guys, alright, Mystery Monday. I picked this bag and it looks like it's original. And I don't know if it is Disney, but I think it is. But those pieces are so glittery. They are so shiny and glittery. So I have to do this. This looks so interesting. And yeah, it is very colorful. We've got blue, green, red, orange, yellow, everything. It might be Disney because, you know, most of my Mystery Mondays are Disney, but I don't know if this will be. I put the pieces on my table and then we'll go through them and then we'll see. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so look at all these shiny, sparkly, glittery pieces. Aren't they beautiful? But I have to say, I hope that this will be kind of a princess compilation for Disney princesses, because the colors were like, you know, this one, that looks a little bit like Rapunzel or something. These purple, and we've got rosy, pinkish. But then I spotted, well, Mickey Mouse. Look at him here. It's his mouth. But it's not only there. You can see one here and there, and now I have to admit there are a lot of mouths. Look, here's one, and there aren't partners, so they won't fit together. So who knows how many Mickeys are on there. I thought it might be Fantasia because I spotted this piece. Look, that looks like the cloak from Fantasia, but on the other hand, this looks like Mickey's usual pants. So, well, maybe it's a compilation of Mickeys. We will see what it will be. But just so you know, every piece is sparkly and shiny. They are wonderful. They feel very nice. They are not rough or something, so they are very, very nice. The only parts that don't sparkle are the black. Well, I guess Mickey's ears, the black parts, and the clothes, I guess, because they don't sparkle as well. Yeah. The fact is, the colors do look very, very nice, and I really enjoy the sparkling. Something else. So I'm very curious what this will be. Let's find out. Aha, look at that. It's Mickey's colorful history. All right, we will have a lot of Mickeys here, I guess. And I think the artist is Jared Franco. So that one was a nice surprise. I wasn't wrong with Fantasia, because here we've got the Mickey in his Fantasia cloak, in his Fantasia outfit. And as you can see here, this is kind of a gradient. So it's Mickey's Colorful History by Jared Franco, as I said before. And this one is the classic Mickey, well, the Mickey as we know him. And this is from a movie, but help me out, from which movie is this outfit? I forgot it. And then we've got the older Mickey here. Well, or is it the... It is the older Mickey, but the recent Mickey looks more like him than the other classic one. And here we've got the oldest Mickey in black and white. And that looks fantastic. Look at that. So it is completely full of this glimmer, shimmer, glitter. And down here we have a few Mickey silhouettes. There's another one. This is the Fantasia one. And yeah, this is a gradient as well. So this goes from blue to yellow. So, and that's it. Guys, what do you think? Isn't that beautiful? I really adore this one. So that was fun to do. And yeah, now it is up to me to find out which brand it is. Well, the brand, I can tell you that it's Tenyo, because we've got the little Tenyo here. And yes, we will see how this puzzle is called, and I will search for the number. Okay, you guys, you can hit the like button, or if you haven't already, consider to subscribe, and then you can see my next Mystery Monday. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.